Welcome! In front of me I have Polar Vantage V3 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch needs to be paired with your iPhone via the Polar Flow application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for your iPhone and the Polar Flow application to send the notifications to your watch. So let's open the settings on our iPhone. In settings, find the Bluetooth option, and once you find it, tap on it. And here you should see the Polar Vantage V3 on the list of my devices. Once you find it, tap on the info icon next to it, and right here there should be option called Share System Notifications. As you can see, it is missing, and if it is the same in your case, we need to do one thing. We need to close the settings, open the Polar Flow application on our iPhone. In the app, we need to tap on More, tap on Devices, and here you should see your Polar Vantage V3. And now we need to wait until the watch is done connecting to our iPhone. Once it's done, we need to scroll down, find the phone notifications, enable them, and we need to sync our watch with our phone. And to do that, press and hold the back button. Once you see it connecting to a phone, release it and wait until it's done. And once it's done syncing, not pairing my bud, with your iPhone, you should see some pop-ups about the notification permissions. Like this one. And once you see them, allow them. Okay, and now it's done, the permissions are allowed, we can close the app for now, go back to settings, Bluetooth, info icon, and as you can see, the option is here right now, and this option needs to be enabled, so make sure it is. Then go back to the main page of settings. Now scroll down and find the Polar Flow application on the list of the apps. Once you find it, tap on it. And here, make sure that the Bluetooth option is enabled. And once it is, we can close the settings. And now we can open the Polar Flow again. Tap on More, tap on Devices, scroll down. And now if the phone notifications are disabled, you can turn them on. You can also select the modes for them. We have the always on, training on, and training off. So select the mode you like. And after you enable the notifications and select the mode, to apply the changes you will need to sync your watch with an iPhone, so press and hold the back button, and after it's done syncing, we should be able to receive the notifications on our watch. So I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord. Okay, it's done syncing, so I'm gonna send the message. And we got the notification on our iPhone. Let's check our watch. And here we have it. So it is working, and that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.